Welcome, I'm Sean Shanley with Veridiant,
I'm Andrew Grigsby with Veridiant.
and today we'll be covering battery energy storage in the Southeast. We would love your feedback on today's training so that we can improve for future audiences. We've provided an anonymous survey for you to fill out. If you're comfortable, there are also some questions on there to help us know what kind of folks we're reaching so we can understand who we're training and who we might be missing. This is an introductory course on the upcoming market transformations in residential batteries and should be used to help inform business owners and installers on basic background and to give you a sense of what you should ask for when you're making decisions. Our objective today is to provide you with an overview of the latest information and available resources. As professionals, you'll be selling, recommending, and hopefully installing battery systems for your clients. We want to make sure that you leave with useful facts about residential battery systems. Please remember this course is about energy storage using batteries. It's not about solar energy. At the end of the course, we hope that you'll be able to identify 3 technical components or characteristics of battery storage systems, 3 market considerations relevant to battery storage systems, 3 common myths and the pertinent facts, and 3 resources that professionals can obtain for helping to talk to users, businesses, and consumers. These resources come from a number of different places, including the U.S. Department of Energy. Our agenda today will be giving you a brief introduction to this project, going over the terminology and technology associated with battery storage systems, covering a few myths and the associated facts, providing market and incentive information, going over code and installation resources, and finally wrapping up with an activity. First, we'd like to introduce you to the Advanced Ready Workforce Project. We're here today thanks to funding from the U.S. Department of Energy, which is intended to increase the market penetration of 4 technologies: heat pump water heaters, air source heat pumps, electric vehicle charging systems, and residential battery systems. These technologies were chosen because they have some of the greatest potential for energy savings, cost savings, and market growth. We are required to include this statement. The views expressed herein do not necessarily represent the views of the U.S. Department of Energy or the United States government.